From start to finish, golf simulator.
We start right in the action. Excavation in progress. As our team digs down 3 feet to create the depth needed for strong and stable concrete floors. This step is critical to make sure the entire structure sits on a solid, properly prepared base. And digging. At this stage keeps everything aligned and ensures a smooth process from start to finish. Proper depth, proper grading, proper prep. Once excavation is complete, we move into custom concrete work. Groundwater from rain outside can't stop our project. We pumped it out to stay on schedule. Forms for the walls of the simulator are in place. Now the concrete pour begins. Once the walls are cured and the forms are removed, we are ready for the floor. Purpose so the final result can be level, durable, and ready for performance. This is the final result.
Don't forget to follow us on our social medias. We share daily educational content.